Hey, I'm Michel, co-founder of GMBapi.com. Excited to have you here at the GMBapi Academy. In this video series, we've crafted easy-to-follow guides to help you navigate and explore our platform's features. Today, we'll focus on the User tab. This tab is where you can control access and the role of users on our platform.
In the sidebar, in the Admin area, you will discover the Users section. Here, marketing managers can control who gets access to the platform. They have the option to invite users to the platform and provide them with either user or manager access. You can also change the current user's permissions here. Furthermore, the Users section conveniently displays the invitation details, including invitation date, the associated email, and the invitation status of the individual.